Today we are going to do the what is it? Blind taste test. So we are going to get our blindfolders.
Outside.
Okay, go.
Go.
Okay. Okay, this is creepy.
Creepy.
Well, which one am I getting?
I don't
The
know.
blue one or the
Blue one.
light blue or dark blue?
Okay.
Light blue.
There's
I will go
Henry.
first.
All right,
I will
Henry.
go first.
Henry, wait.
Okay.
I will
don't
get
even know
dark
where I
blue.
am.
I
There
will
you go, Henry.
get dark blue. I will get dark blue.
All right, there you go. I just did that.
What? I can't see.
I can.
Are you supposed to find it on the plate or what?
I'm
No,
supposed to find it on the plate.
I can see it like this.
no. I think we should break a little piece off
Yeah.
and put it in their mouth.
No, we should break it. No, so we can just.
Because touching it tells them exactly what it is.
Can't break it, guys. Don't break it. Don't break it.
I can't even.
All right.
I want that.
All right, open your mouth. Hey, wait a minute. What do you? That means you can see.
I can see. I can see.
Can yes? All right. All right. Open your mouths.
I know how to put my hand
Hey,
on.
get
I can taste it.
over here. Scoot over.
I don't know.
Oh, scoot over.
I
Scoot
don't.
closer to Alex.
Move to your left. Move to your left.
Okay.
I
All
don't
right.
know.
Punku. Punku. Punku.
Wait. Leave it on. Leave it on.
It's pinky. Pinky.
What's pinky mean, Alec? Leave it on and tell me what it is.
Oh, right. Should I show what it is?
Yeah.
So where's the camera hole?
Up real high.
Excuse me, I can't
Right
see.
there.
I need to see it now. Now.
No. That's at the end. Some vanilla cracker. Oh, Baba, you can go get more stuff from the pantry too.
Awesome. I can't believe they're letting me choose the stuff from the pantry.
Hey guys, look at that.
All right. Close your eyes. It's finished. Done chewing?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Mama
We get a
show.
point for each one we get right. So I think it's vanilla
I want
Hello Panda.
I want that.
It's Hello Panda vanilla. Henry, what's your answer?
My answer is the one with the one next.
Wait,
This-
what? Wait,
this
what?
one, this
what do
one.
you
Yeah, all right,
This
hey,
one.
sit down. Sit down. All right, now open
Ah!
your mouth. Here comes the next taste test.
Ah. Oh.
Camping.
I just had this today. Green tea Kit Kat.
Yes. That was correct.
Pink. Green tea.
Hey! Copier.
Hey, book cover.
Wait, can you see through that?
No.
Are you sure? How do you know Henry's speaking then?
Well, how does Henry know it's green tea?
He said what you said.
Green tea.
All right, here's the next taste test. All right, open your mouth.
Kinky bun. King of the bee. King of the bee tastes like.
Jelly bean.
What flavor? Henry, stop eating.
Give me another one.
It's not the same. Okay, here.
My mouth is open.
Orange.
All right. Here you go, Alec. Here's your taste test.
Chocolate.
Oh.
Can I have something to drink?
Yep.
Can we have water?
I want water too.
All right, wait a sec.
I still need water.
It's a peanut butter pop tart.
Oh, you're probably not.
I can still see here.
How can you see?
Wait a minute.
So underneath is blind.
Because I wear it like this.
All right.
I can still see my mom's head.
Before you have your next,
I can
before I
see
give
it.
you your water,
See your eyes, yeah.
I can see.
Henry's still keeping on.
Before I give you your water, I have one more taste test to do.
It is.
But we're not finished.
Yeah, all right. All right. So, open your mouth and say, ah. Look up, Alec. Alec, look up.
Did you show it to the
Yep.
camera?
Alec, look
Are
up.
you sure you did?
Yep. Chew, chew, chew.
Killer fudge.
Ew. What is it?
Keep chewing. You have to tell me what it was.
Look at my tongue.
You ate it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that tongue. Hey guys.
Onion.
Hi guys.
Ah, you
Hi,
got it.
hi guys. Hi guys. Onion.
I know that taste.
You
I like onion.
Where'd you get that from?
told me I could go to the pantry more snacks.
Yucky, don't
All right. Take a sip. I got
Because
one
it
more.
was.
I don't have water.
There you go. Just put it in
Mine
the
right
fridge.
there.
Hold your hands out. I'll give it to you. Hold your hands out. Right here. Henry, yucky.
All
Rock,
right.
Oh,
paper,
whoa, push it up.
scissors.
Push the cup up.
Rock,
There you go.
paper,
All right.
scissors.
Sit down. One more. I got one more ready for you.
Did you do this?
Scissors.
Yeah.
You did it, right?
Sit down.
What,
Sit down.
is that marshmallows?
Hey, you cheater.
I just see that.
Yeah. Guess what that is?
Whoa.
Marshmallow.
What a surprise!
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
All right. Someone fix Henry's blindfold.
Henry, you
Come
cheater.
over here, Henry.
She gets.
Come over here so I can fix your
I can just still see.
Come over
I
here.
can still see it here.
I know you can. You're not supposed to see. That the cover is supposed to cover your eyes.
No, Henry. It's supposed.
I don't know.
You look under Henry.
I can't. I cannot.
My
Come here
blindfold.
so I can fix it.
I don't know.
You don't want me to fix it?
I just want like that.
Hey, Baba.
Hey, Ella.
My blindfold fell off.
Oh, well,
Yeah, I
that
think
one
we took it off.
back on.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
What?
I need to take this off. So
Alright,
I
should
can
stop
see.
recording?
I need to see. I need to see.
No.
No, you don't. Put it
I
back
need
on.
to.
Take a look. I'm
No.
doing one more test.
Well, they already took their blindfolds off.
Oh, I had the test ready.
Henry, let's go.
Mine is already down.
Mom will help you.
Hello. I can't.
I'm gonna taste
I can't
this.
see.
I don't.
Hi,
Papa
guys.
already gave it to you. You said.
I want it
This
again.
is
I
the
want
last
it again.
test, So
I want to taste
yeah.
it again.
Okay, wait.
I want to
Cover
taste
your eyes
again. I want to taste this again.
Later.
All right,
No. No way.
Hi guys.
No way
I
I
can't
can
see.
taste
All right, there you go. That's good.
You're gonna go.
Go sit
I
back
can't-
down.